Do you find it mentally stressful continually worrying about where your next project or your next client's going to come from? And are your usual marketing tactics more hope and pray rather than invite and stay? In this video, we're going to identify those areas of any business that can benefit from using video and increase profits as a result whilst generating a healthy cash flow. Hi, my name is Jeff Flaming from Video Cashflow, and today we're going to cover several tactics or strategies, if you like, that work in any business niche or industry or sector. They work online and offline, and of course they work locally and globally. But more importantly, they take away those headaches that every business owner suffers with when it comes to getting your next sale, your next project, or your next client. So here goes then. 1. Interviews. By interviewing a leading light in your business niche or industry or business sector and making the recording available for that person that you interview for the purposes of their own marketing, this can help your own business in many ways. For example, it can give you a lead into that person's customer database that you can then market to with an endorsement from that very person that you've just interviewed. And if you have a sizable customer database too, that can open up opportunities for the two of you to collaborate or joint venture on future projects as well. 2. Live presentations. By creating a same place, same time live video presentation, interacting with viewers can take your business to a new level. You get to talk with your customers and prospects, and they get to talk with the CEO of that shop or that business. That's you. And as you're the one that they bought that specialist bicycle saddle from, or had their website built by your team, then they're more likely to follow up on any promotions and future offers. 3. Football clubs announce in advance of when their manager is going to give a presentation before a big game. Why, you might ask? Because the fans want to feel belonging to their club, the club they identify with, the club that they love, win, lose or draw. Now this is where customer loyalty shows its true colours. A video helps play a vital role in helping football clubs communicate to their fan base on a level that most businesses would love to achieve. So have you ever considered announcing the release of a new product or the introduction of a new service to your customer database and to your social media following by inviting them to, for example, a webinar, an online video presentation, and then offering them a discount if they want to buy or take up the service, or even use that online video webinar to upsell to a premium product or service. 4. Demos and previews. Customers often want to know if a new product or service that comes onto the market is better than the existing one they've got. Why not steal a march on your competition by being the business owner that previews their product or service by having a video film and then sending an email to your customer database, or posting to your social media following, or even putting the video up on YouTube, inviting clients and viewers to find out more by test driving the product or service with you. 5. Tutorials. Many businesses and processes lend themselves to customers and prospects wanting to learn more. And the best type of video to help provide that information are the how-to videos. Take the case of a florist. They and their staff produce bouquets and bunches of flowers all day long in their shop, and they're often so enthusiastic about what they do that anyone wanting to know what colours go together and what flowers are right for a particular event, that the person asking will get that information and probably a lot more in the process. Now what if the florist or their staff will film putting together a bouquet of flowers whilst talking about the required steps that they're taking, together with a few practical tips thrown in for good measure? Do you think many of their customers and prospects and social media followers would be interested in something like that? And suppose again those videos were put out on social media and YouTube, and a call to action at the end of the video was an invite to a 2-day workshop at a local hotel for £397 with tea, coffee and lunch all thrown in for free, and then a practical steps and tips workbook provided at the end of the 2-day event. Do you think there's a good chance that say 20 people would attend that event? Not a bad return for a couple of days work, is it? And what if you offered those attendees to join an exclusive membership club for just £29 a month to have a fresh bouquet of flowers delivered straight to your door every month? 6. Testimonials. Now video testimonials are probably the most powerful type of video you can have working for you. Now a video testimonial is third-party endorsement by a satisfied customer, someone who's prepared to shout from the rooftops about the quality of your customer service, the product and the service that you provide. In the video, what your satisfied customer is saying to the outside world is, yeah man, you've got to try this business out. I had a problem with my didgeridoo, and they fixed it in no time by doing Postman Pat, this and that. Stick a few video testimonials on your website and in your marketing materials and on your social media, and with a strong call to action, and see what happens. 7. Know, like and trust. This 3-part conversion process all business owners have to go through, all in the name of building a relationship with a prospect to turn them into a paying customer, can be quite tortuous. Video helps speed up that 3-part process massively. By appearing in your own short 60-second teaser video or how-to video, the first part of that process, the like, is established. If the viewer takes an instant like to you, great, they're now starting the second step in the process of getting to know you. If they don't like what they see, i.e. you, then that's great too, because they've just pre-qualified themselves as being unsuitable to do business with. And that's going to save you a lot of time, money, frustration and grief in the process. And when you get, say, a telephone call from a viewer who has just followed your call to action at the end of the video, asking them to call that particular number, and that person who incidentally has pre-qualified themselves as liking you, will talk to you as if they know you, even though you don't know them from Adam. Now you're over halfway towards securing that sale, that sign up, or whatever your goal is. So as you can see, video plays a massive part in business today in conveying value added messages and information to your customers, current and future. Just to recap, the 7 top ways of using video to generate profitable business and massively improve your cash flow are: 1. Interviews with peers and collaborating with them on future win-win projects. 2. Live broadcasts to foster customer loyalty and to promote future upcoming events. 3. Announcing the release of new products and services and offering tempting discounts and add-ons. Filming demonstrations of processes and procedures, such as using the latest time-saving piece of software. 5. How-to or tutorial videos providing free, practical and really useful information, and then followed up with an upsell. 6. Using satisfied customers to tell the world how you can solve their problems, commonly known as video testimonials. 7. Speeding up the like, know and trust process and increasing the velocity of your sales. So, who do you know would like to create new revenue streams, grow their business and improve their lifestyle options? Thanks ever so much for watching. If you'd like to know more about the power of video and what it can do for you and what it can do for your business, look out for another video on video marketing and YouTube coming your way next week. And if you like this video, please click the like button underneath the video. Feel free to share the video with friends, family, business colleagues and associates, and by all means leave a comment or ask a question in the comments section also underneath the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to get more videos on video marketing and business tips, tactics, techniques and strategies that will help you with your own online business. Nearly forgot, here's a link for you to download your free PDF copy of How Much Cash Are You Missing Out On? You'll find the link in the description box below the video. Enjoy it. Until next time, bye for now.